This is the diaphragm. It's a thing. Oh wait. Aids in respiration or breathing. So yeah, it helps that. This is the liver. It metabolizes many drugs, including alcohol, and makes it a substance similar to detergent or fat for digestion called bile. The next one is the gallbladder. So it is right here. And it collects bile, which is sent to the initial portion of the small intestine via the cystic and common bile ducts. This one right here. Yeah. So the stomach is this pouch right here. It is responsible for storing food and prepares it for digestion. There's a spleen. The spleen is right here. This thing, this flat one. It is involved with maturation and processing of immune cells that protect the body. Oh man, I butchered that.
Don't follow Nick's advice, because Nick is not going to get full credit.
So the duodenum is this hard sac right here. And it is a major location for food digestion. The esophagus is right here. It's a little tube thing. It functions in swallowing. Swallowing food. So the pancreas is right here, and the pancreas makes digestive enzymes, which are carried by the pancreatic duct to the duodenum. So yeah, that's the pancreas right there. The mesentery are the things right here, and they hold the organs in place and provide them with a blood supply and nervous input. The ileum. Okay, so the ileum is somewhere in here. And it furthers digestion, occurs, and nutrients absorbed here. So right in here. So yeah. And the cecum is the dead end sac right here. And it is the dead end of the. These are the ovaries, and they hold the eggs for the pig. And the little squiggly thingies right here on the outside of the ovaries, they are the uterine horns, and they I can't see that. Okay, so they're designed for a single neonate and relatively small or simplex because of the ovaries at length of the uterus, the fallopian tubes, which carry eggs from the ovaries to the uterus. Okay, so yeah. So the uterus is right here. This thing right here, that's the uterus. And it is the central structure where the pig's uterine horns unite. So yeah. And the vagina is this muscular tube right here, and it connects the uterus to the eugenital sinus. So the eugenital sinus is right here, and it serves both reproductive and urinary function in female pigs. So the thymus gland is over here, right there. Yeah, and it is like the spleen. The thymus contains immune cells which function to protect the body. Yep. The pericolidium is right here. This thin sheet, and it covers the heart. This is the heart. The heart pumps blood to the body through the aorta, which is the muscular tube visible at the anterior end of the heart. It also pumps blood into the veins into the lungs via the pulmonary arteries. The lungs. These are the lungs. Right here, right here. They help the body breathe, and so they exchange gas between the atmosphere and the body. The bronchial tubes would be down in there. They're Y-shaped tubes, so right here. And they connect the two lungs to the trachea and each into each other. So what? The trachea. This is the trachea. Right here. It's in there. So right here. And it is and it has rings on it, and the rings keep the thyroid from collapsing as it carries air. So the thyroid gland is right here. And the thyroid is important because it regulates metabolism. So this is the larynx right here, and this is the voice box, and it helps you talk, whereas in the pig's cakes voice, and the esophagus is right here. Again, it helps function in swallowing, so it goes all the way up and behind the trachea. So,
which is reproducing the